Will Rind, gold has been fairly flat as people wait for the Greek election and Fed decision, but you've been seeing a lot of buying behind the scenes. Tell me about it.
Well, what we've seen is quite strong buying from the central bank sector, so the official sector within the gold market. Particularly some very, very strong numbers came out of China in April, and coupled with the Chinese purchases of gold, we've seen buying from countries like Mexico, Philippines, others. So these are countries with high current account surpluses or foreign exchange surpluses. Any reason why you think they're doing it? Just worries about what's going on in Europe as well as the deficits in America and Japan? Well, I think that potentially has something to do with it, but the major thing that these countries have is they have large foreign exchange surpluses, which typically are dollar-based, and they're trying to diversify some of those dollars away into a currency like gold. They have to do something with it. Let's talk about platinum for a second. Now, platinum's up about 6% for the year, nearly double what gold is up. Why is it doing so well? I think the reason why platinum has performed well is due to the fundamentals of that market being pretty tight right now. So that's the supply and demand dynamics within that market. We've had a few supply disruptions coming out of South Africa, which has slowed production for some of the big or major mining companies there. So demand has remained relatively strong through the strong truck market, sales, particularly here in the US, and that's helped the price of platinum this year. Meanwhile, palladium is down about 4% for the year. Why is it doing so poorly compared to the other metals? Yeah, palladium, again, has actually pretty good fundamentals at this stage and probably is in a deficit at this particular juncture. However, the reason why palladium is down a little bit on the year is because it's probably the most geared towards the performance of the economy of all the precious metals. And I think sentiment to the economy perhaps trumps any fundamentals or positive fundamentals at this stage, particularly for palladium.
This market is
stock tickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're getting